Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix macOS update is stuck or failed on your MacBook Pro M5. So usually when you update your MacBook through the system settings, going to general software update, your update gets stuck in the middle, so actually right before the end, and it says you to wait for maybe 5 minutes more, but you can definitely notice that the update is not going as planned, as it won't proceed even after 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So just the best solution here is no solution. Just wait, because these 5 minutes that it tells you about is most probably half an hour or even an hour. Just keep using your system. Do not turn your PC off, because it will restart the process. And just wait for the software update to be finished. So it will finish in its own time, and unfortunately, it actually gaslights you about the time when it's gonna finish. Like pretty much most of the time. Each software update I had on this MacBook and on my other Apple devices got stuck like 5 minutes before the ending. So don't treat these messages seriously. Just close this settings menu and continue doing whatever you've been doing before. In the meantime, you will get the notification once your software update is ready. Then you're gonna see the restart button underneath your notification. You just click on it and let your laptop restart. However, if your laptop's update has failed, or basically something wrong is happening, so maybe your update is stuck for more than an hour, or maybe you have any other kind of issue, first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because it's required for your update to be downloaded and installed properly. And if this won't help you, you can also simply restart your computer. So just click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and then select restart, and then start the update again. And if it fails again, so if you're stuck into the same problem once again, we can perform the quick disk cleanup. So just shut down your device and shut it down once again. Now, the disk cleanup, I mean not the entire disk cleanup, but basically the disk check, which will clean up all the tools that are interfering with your update process. And to do that, all we have to do is, after we shut down our PC, we're gonna have to hold down the power button. Then you'll see continue holding for startup options, so please do so. And once you see loading startup options, just release the power button and let the startup options appear on screen. Okay, so now we're gonna have to select options, click continue, and wait for the options to appear. Okay, so now we're gonna have to sign into our Apple account. Click next and enter your the password to your laptop, of course. And then let's go to the disk utility. Now select your Macintosh HD, click it with 2 fingers, then run first aid. Click run, and let this tool check your drive. Then go back to the Apple logo, select restart, and after that try running the OS update once again, and this time it should work as intended. And once again, be very patient with these updates, or just don't expect them to finish anytime soon, because they really take a long time. So fortunately, you can keep using your system while the system is updating. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.